My name is Melita P. Gonzalez, for Calamba, Laguna, Philippines. I am a Filipino. I'm a single mother, 41 years old, and blessed with two children, 15 and 17 years old. My religion is a Catholic. I have one brother. I am my youngest in the family. I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 3 years. I have served 4 members of the family, couple, 1-year-old and 5 years old. My duties and responsibilities for them are take care of the children, giving them and helping them with medicine if necessary, cooking, cleaning the house, washing the dishes, doing the laundry, and many more. I hope that you will hear me because I am kind, responsible, honest, trustworthy, and flexible person. I'm also a hardworking person and willing to learn the tasks that are given to me. And I'm looking forward to be part of your family. And I will do my best to the best I can to serve your family better. Thank you.